Burnaby Village Museum. Meron silang free admission during...
For admission, again.
I see. Okay, guys. We check it out inside kung anong meron sa loob. Kasama ko yung aking sister. Hi, hi. Pasok kami sa loob. So, papasok kami. May music pa sila. So, ito yung loob nila. May party. May mga puno yan. Malamig-lamig ang pag nag-snow. Summer na summer dito. Free admission lang siya. Ang ganda yung mga flower nila, oh.
We will start there.
Anong meron doon?
Maunang kuan, mga na history sa Burnaby.
I see.
Oh,
Alright, puntahan natin.
and that's how the old Burnaby.
May mga marami ding nagpupunta. Ganda ng mga flower. Look at that. Beautiful sa mga flower. So we're going. We'll see what is inside. Ah, nice. Okay lang ba mag-video dito? I see.
This is how the Burnaby.
Ito yung history nila. Ano yun dito?
They make some changes. Old houses now.
We can go there?
These are the family that lives in this.
I see. Ito yung history ng ano. Ito yung, dito nag-start sila. Yan yung picture ng family. Yan. So, ito yung dining table nila noon-noon. Kitchen nila, ganyan. Ito yung old house nila. Ito talaga yung ano, so yan, nakikita yung bedroom. Ganito yung style nila ng lumang bahay. So, ganyan yung ayos. Diba guys, dati makikita lang natin yan sa TV. Oh, this is the old cooking area.
It is, yes. Yes, it's the kitchen of the house.
Yeah, the kitchen. And I can see the old kettle. And how they hang the clothes, I think. Their old sink. And they have this small kitchen area here. At ito yung old na toilet nila. Ganito yung locks. So, yun ka. Ito yung back door nila. Ito yung old house talaga, guys. Parang ganda rin pag gagayahin natin to sa Pilipinas. So, mostly yung bahay, ganito yun. Parang ganito din yung style ng bahay namin sa Pilipinas, ah. Diba ni, yung mga style ng bahay natin na ganito, oh. Yung bahay natin sa Pinas. So, yan yung Stride Studio nila. Photo supplies, drugstore. Ito talaga yung old story ng ano nila. Kung saan nagsimula yung Burnaby. Pwede tayong pumasok. Yan yung barber shop. Take a look inside. Look at that. Oh, yan. Ganito yung itsura ng barber shop nila. Long time ago. Long time ago. Look at that. Ito yung itsura ng upuan. Studio. Open it. Can open? Alright. Someone inside. Oh, this is shoes. Ito yung wala pang ito yung malita before.
원래 우리가 못하는 것만 했는데
라이스.
같은 비타민 미래에
이게 이민자들이잖아. 이거 온 사람들이. 그러니까 우리가 원래는 해가지고
Oh yeah, long time.
캐나다에는
Giving your
캐나다에
that's their culture food with love. Ito yung mga spicy nilang ginagamit.
그 뭐지? 10%를 가지고 있대. 사우스 에이전에서.
아프가니스탄, 방글라데시, 부탄, 인디아, 이란, 네팔.
Punta kami sa kabila. Ang lawak nitong ano nila, museum. Ganito talaga yung style before, guys. Iba-iba yung mga bahay. So, punta
Ano siya,
kami.
no? Pag December, kapag December, kayo
Aha.
kayo na.
Nandot ang ilang kuan. So, this is the cafe. Yeah. Yan yung Burnaby General Store. Yan. Ganito yung itsura ng luma nilang ano. Long time ago. So, ito yung old big shop nila. Look at that. Home bakery. Ito yung mga binibinta nilang pagkain before. Yan yung mga bread nila before. Yan, ang laki ng mga tinapay. Yeah, pastry. How they make the donut. Ito yung very old kitchen nila. Saan sila nag-process ng mga food. Pasukin natin. Uy, may curry powder din pala sila, oh. Mga spices nila. Ha?
Money fish sa una. 75 cents per
Oh my God, yung sugar, guys, 75 cents lang yun per pounds long time ago. Ngayon, magkano na? Ganito yung presyo before, yung butter, 40 cents per pounds. Eggs, 40 cents per dozen.
Saan na ba? Makinan ko sa bugas. Israel.
Ito yung old store. Ito yung history ng store nila. Ayan, may mga cabbage.
So I could be in the middle of chatting with you, but
I could still
Bobby's
see
will.
what's on there. I would see.
Not if you're in the middle of conversation and you're chatting about how your wife's doing because it's how it farms.
Ito yung old nilang mga gamit.
What is this? So you don't even know anything.
It's an old store.
Scale.
Or it's not even this. It's just my finger.
Yeah.
Right? And I'm in the middle of talking to you.
Ito may mga hagdanan-hagdanan.
But that's the thing.
So like if something's there, brother, I see what you're seeing there, something like so most everybody.
So this is to reinforce that this is
Ganito ang itsura ng store nila before. My sister there. Old post office.
Do you see any Legos?
Ganyan yung gamit dati, oh. Typewriter.
Do you see any Barbies?
Ala ko sa Pilipinas lang.
See any action figures? Whatever. And then we would grind into
This is the scale machine.
and then if
When you buy the things,
when you're coming in,
and that is the weigh machine.
maybe I should buy some coffee before I go home. The sales tactic.
That's for how to cut the cheese. The old bicycle. Mhm. Yeah, shell. Ito yung pinaka-old. Tapos ang gawa silang fire diha, no? We'll go in. This is the old church of Barnaby, Vancouver.